everybody, I am back with another makeup tutorial. Today I am doing a Hollywood glam slash pinup girl inspired tutorial, and that is because it is a very simple eye but with dramatic wing and a bold red lip. It is a super easy look to accomplish as long as you can get the eyeliner right. It is just super easy and quick. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Alright guys, so to start off the look, I have put on my L'Oreal True Match foundation all over my face. And then I put on my MARC Powder Buff foundation. That's glaring, sorry. And this is in the shade, my L'Oreal is in the shade W3. And this is in the shade Light 2. Let me show you. I probably could go a shade lighter, but this is all they had. And so I figured I would get this one, and it still works. And I just lightly dusted this over my foundation just to give it more of a matte finish. Then I put on my Milani Easy Brow pencil in dark brown to fill in my eyebrows. So to start off the eyes, I'm going to take my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in the shade Sin. And please excuse my nails, guys. I was doing a quick nail polish and then I got impatient and was doing things and my nail got all messed up. It was just, don't look. It's just, yeah, it's not good. So I'm going to put the eyeshadow primer on my lid. And I'm also going to put a little bit beneath as well. And then I'm just going to rub that in with my finger. Next, I'm going to take my MARC on the Dot palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here, this top middle shade, and a flat shader brush, and I'm going to be putting that all over my lid as a base. And this is just a really pretty, like, shimmery golden color. So I'm going to focus most of this color on the lower lid, and then as the product comes off my brush, I'm going to be spreading it up. I just want most of that color concentrated on my lower lid. So I'm also going to take that same brush and same eyeshadow and sweep it underneath my eye. So next I'm going to be taking that white shade on top, and I just spot cleaned that flat shader brush, and I'm going to be putting that beneath my brow as a highlight. Alright guys, now comes the fun but very difficult and can be very frustrating part. We're going to do a dramatic wing, and I'm going to take my Mary Kay eyeliner pen in black. So I'm going to start on the inner corner and work my way out. Once I'm about 3/4 of the way, I'm going to draw my wing. So I'm going to follow the line of my lower lash line and just follow it up. And then I'm going to connect that line to the line I already drew. I'm trying to do this so you guys can see. And then I'm just going to fill that in. And there's a dramatic line. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this eye off camera so I can focus. I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs eyeliner in black, and I'm just going to put that into my lash line on the bottom, on my bottom lash line. And I'm only going to go about halfway here. And I'm going to connect that to my wing. So now I'm going to be taking this color here, and it is just a really pretty silvery, shimmery, it has a little bit of blue undertones in it. And I'm going to take a pencil brush, and I'm going to smoke out that lower lash line. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly in black, and I'm going to put a generous coat on my bottom lashes first. And I really want my lashes on the outer corner to be super defined, so I'm going to take my applicator and turn it vertically and just really make sure to get a good coat on those outer lashes. And then I'm going to put a couple thick coats on my top lashes. I do this every single time. Okay, for blush, I'm going to put on Clinique's Blushing Blush Powder Blush in the shade Precious Posy. That is a lot of P's. And I'm going to put that just on the backs of my cheeks. To start off the lips, I'm going to be taking a little bit more of my L'Oreal True Match Foundation, and I'm going to be patting that on my lips just to nude them out more. And this just helps the color read more true to what it is when it's not on your lips. Those are some nude lips. Next, I'm going to take Sephora Rouge Cream Lipstick and put that on my lips. It's a very beautiful deep red. Alright guys, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.